Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and I'm going to show you how we can change the display refresh rate. So at the first we have to go for the settings, then tap on the display, and here we have to tap on the motion smoothness. So let's click, and as you can see, here is the preview how it is going to change and how it is going to look when we pick up one of the options. Of course, right now there is the setup on the adaptive, and it means that in most cases our screen is set up on the 100 Hertz when we are using it, but we can also go straight for the standard for this one and get the 60 Hertz all the time to get the longer battery life. But of course the adaptive is really good because when the smartphone is turned off, it is able to reduce the refresh rate of our screen for the 1 Hertz even. So I think that this one is just the best option. But when you are making some trip or something like that, and you get your screen all the time turn it on, the 60 Hertz will be, I think, a little bit better for the battery life. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.